Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Zoe Akiko and today I'm showing you how to download Lightroom mobile and desktop preset. I'm also going to be showing you a little bit of how I edit, but not completely. I will be doing an entire video about how I edit and how I take photos and my process and everything like that. It's just a lot to fit in with like how to download presets. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take some photos to actually edit. I set up my living room to be my studio for today. All of the things that I used on this shoot will be linked below for you guys to use. It is like the cheapest of the cheap photography gear, so it's not good photography gear, but it is really cheap if you're just trying to get started. I'm going to get into a little bit of a classier outfit. It is going to have a high neck. Okay, now I'm just going to change my shirt. Okay, I want to go back to my other shirt. So now that you've taken some photos, I'm going to show you how to download presets. So to download the free preset, you're just going to have to go to my website and you're going to click the presets button at the top. So then just put in your name and your email and click the box and submit. It'll say thank you for submitting and we will send you an email soon. So once you guys get the email, all you're going to have to do is download two apps. The first app is called iZip. The second one is called Lightroom Mobile. iZip just lets you open the files so you can open them in Lightroom. And then the next thing you're going to do is go to your email. You will get an email from me and it'll say thank you for signing up. Click download preset and you will open it in whatever browser extension you want. Then you're going to click open in iZip. You're going to unzip all the files and then you're just going to click into the folder. If you do want a digital instruction sheet, there is a digital version so you don't have to watch the video every time, or if you're confused, there is a digital resource. So the next thing you're going to do for mobile is you're just going to go click the mobile folder and then click free preset and open in. You're going to click Lightroom, but sometimes you will have to scroll all the way over because Lightroom just won't be there because I use it all the time, so that's why it puts it there for me. The next thing you're going to do is click Lightroom and then you're going to click launch in Lightroom now. If you hold down on the preset, you will be able to see the before and after. And so how to actually create the preset and save it for later, you're going to click the three dots in the right hand corner and click create preset. The next thing you're going to type is free Akiko. And then you're also going to create a preset group just to keep all your presets organized. So you're going to click create new preset group and you're going to call it Akiko presets. If you click the preset button, you will be able to see all of your presets, and here is the Akiko free one. And that is what it should look like when you have it all downloaded. I hope you guys like that mobile portion and I hope it makes sense. I hope you guys learned how to download it. And now let's move on to the desktop version. So the desktop version is a lot simpler and faster just because gotta love computers. On desktop, you will have to pay for Lightroom, but it is a lot easier to download the presets. The first thing you're going to have to do is download the presets and double click them to unzip. The second thing you're going to do is open Lightroom Classic and go to the Develop tab under the right hand corner. The third thing you're going to do is on the left you're going to see a place called Presets and you're going to click the plus icon at the top right of the section and click Import Presets. The fourth thing you're going to do is locate where you saved the presets during step 1, typically downloads or desktop, and then click Import. Step 5. Click preset titles and apply them to your photos. Make small corrections and you're all done. This is what the presets should look like once you have them all imported. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit my photos on Lightroom. So after I've imported, I'm just going to go and try whatever presets I like best. I like to go try them all before doing anything. I think I like Crush Baby Please the best. And then I'm just going to up the exposure just a little bit. So that's just after applying my preset, cropping, and giving it a little bit of an exposure boost. The next things that I like to play with are my highlights and my shadows. That is kind of how I edit my photos. There's not much, that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much all for this video. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you learned how to download presets. I hope I gave you kind of an insight on how I edit. I will be doing an entire video on how I edit and how I do portrait photography coming. It's just so much to squeeze all in one video. So subscribe if you want to see that. So if you guys want to buy my presets, they will be in the link below. The free one will also be in the link below. I've been working on these since I think last year. I've been working on these since my trip to Las Vegas. So if you guys want to buy them, they will be in the link down below, and all my socials and all my equipment and everything else. Anyway, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed.